गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो दोस्तों मैं बहुत दिनों के बाद आया हूँ हमारे वर्कशॉप का वीडियो लेकर। तो ये वीडियो जो है एक्चुअली जो वर्कशॉप का प्रमोशन वाली वीडियो है। तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो में हम आप लोग को दिखाएंगे बहुत सारे राइडर जो हैं, जो नेपाल के लेडी राइडर, जेंट्स राइडर, वो सभी इस वीडियो में हैं। तो आप ये देखना ना भूलें। और हाँ, और जो दूर दूर से वर्कशॉप में हमारे वर्कशॉप में जो दूर दूर से बाइक जो लोड करके गाड़ी में आता है, वो सभी वीडियो हम लोग इस वीडियो में दिखाने वाले हैं। तो हमेशा की तरह अंत तक ये वीडियो को जरूर देखें।
I remember the feel of the air touch my skin. Am I real? 'Cause I felt something leave from within. I feel empty. Have I got nothing left to give? Am I living? 'Cause I only felt alive with him. Driving in the night, the hood down. It's when I feel alive when no one's around. The darkness deep inside comes to light now. But it's alright, it's alright. I can bring no heart if I got none. I won't break apart if I stay on the run. But sometimes in the night I miss the sun. Why did darkness come? I felt my body break, my heart give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightning shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I belong. Why did darkness come? Something keeps waking me up. Why did darkness come? Why did darkness come? Break my heart, give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightning shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I belong. Why did darkness come? Something keeps waking me up. Nothing left to give. Let me break the part of the darkness with him. Why did darkness come? till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down? Staring at the ceiling, fighting off the feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. I wanna go back to how I used to be. Staring at the ceiling, fighting off the feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. I wanna go back to how I used to be. Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. Nothing on my life, maybe time to just have a different. Didn't break you down. Staring at the ceiling, fighting off the feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. I wanna go back to how I used to be. Staring at the ceiling, fighting off the feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. I wanna go back to how I used to be.
साइज कल गरेको छ
unfold like a diamond from gold. Maybe you are something I cannot define. Maybe you are the fallen kind. I lay in bed with violence, the silent side of me. We see where fire starts to breathe. When I was laying in silence, the voice inside of me made me use my mind right.
Cause I'm the king on my own throne, king on my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me rain, and I'll say